Okay, in that last short video, I wasn't able to show fully the full voltage of the Wavetek coming through the much lower voltage of the interstate because we lost the trigger and I couldn't get a stable trigger back. So now what I've done is I've simply used the Wavetek's sync output to go into the external trigger input of the oscilloscope, so that we will always be triggering on the output of the Wavetek no matter what the amplitude of the displayed signal is. Okay, so now once again we're looking at the Wavetek output, or rather the interstate's output at 1 volt per division, and so the square wave oscillations are going from let me just turn the Wavetek off for a moment. Okay, point. Capacitors in there discharging. Oh, never mind. Okay, so the interstate is producing this nice 4 volt, 4 volt peak to peak square wave, and then I've got the 2 function generators in strict series, so the output of the Wavetek is superimposed on that. And if I turn up the amplitude of the Wavetek, you can see that it can grow quite large until it fills the screen. So what we'll do is we'll use the attenuation controls to display the interstate's signal at a much lower. So now we're at 10 volts per division, and we're at half a division, slightly under half a division there. So that's again our 4 volts peak to peak trace. But now we're looking at it at 10 volts per division. So now I'm going to turn up the Wavetek signal. Okay, and let's give it some higher frequencies there. Alright. So you can see that we still have the 1 volt peak to peak from the interstate, but we've superimposed about a 37 volt oscillation from the Wavetek on top of that. And that's coming through, that's from the Wavetek going through the series loop, through the F43 function generator to be displayed out here. If I turn the attenuation down, there you see the Wavetek signal, or rather the F43 signal. Let me just magnify that a little bit. Okay, so there's half a volt per division. Here comes the Wavetek coming on now. So at half a volt per division, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. So again, that's 35, 37 volts there, almost 40 volts, peak to peak swinging, coming from the Wavetek through the F43 and to the function, or to the oscilloscope. Okay. See the envelope there from the F43, and then the oscillations from the Wavetek. You see that? So here I'm going to vary the frequency of the F43. Okay, thanks for watching.